Welcome, this is Peter with Trade-One Manufacturing. We're talking about the VSL 400 series, the use and maintenance. This is a VSL very special liner because it's easy to use, easy to clean, it's easy to repair, and it does a very effective job. Let's talk about cleaning first. You want to take a soft cloth of some sort and you get a stainless steel cleaner and apply the cleaner and go with the grain when you're cleaning. You can use a blue cloth like this or cotton. In removing the filters, always use the knobs here. Do not try to take it off with the tines. Just up and out for safety's sake and also for cleanliness. And you can put these right in the dishwasher. Notice you have holes on the bottom and the top. And when you put them in the dishwasher, this is a 304 grade stainless steel. It will not be hurt in the dishwasher. Never use chlorine or anything like that on stainless steel. Always use a stainless steel cleaner. And then this comes out the same way. The piece or the filter goes towards the lights, the bottom comes out and pulls out. It's very simple, and of course it goes in the same way. And then you notice here's the remote control. Some builders don't take it out, it's right there. And then lastly, removing the lights, it's very simple. You take the palm of your hand, you push in gently, turn counterclockwise, and they'll come out. Put it back in, you just line the pins up, and it goes clockwise. I hope this has been helpful and that this will be able to enable you to run your unit properly, effectively, and safely. Thank you.